Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to do a hard reset on a Xiaomi Redmi 8.
And you do not have the pin code. You can do this without the pin code. It will erase everything and return it all to the factory settings. So to do that, we're just going to start by pressing the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. And just hold them simultaneously until the phone vibrates. And once it vibrates, it'll be turning on, and you will see that it will open up this menu here. And you can't touch the screen to control the menu. You're going to need to use the volume up and down to toggle through. You're going to go to wipe data and then hit the power button to confirm it. And then wipe all data, and then you're going to go down to confirm. And once you confirm that, it's going to go through this little process. Then you can go back to the main menu, and you can just reboot your phone, and it will start it up, and it will come out as it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.